you can edit an image or SVG file and make it a more custom design is to use Slice. I'm going to start off by uploading an SVG file. And because I'm using a true high quality SVG file, it defaults to save as cut image. And I'm just going to save this as frame. Now I'm going to click upload. That's it. When you're using true high quality SVGs, it's that easy. There's nothing to clean up or remove. That's the point of using an SVG file. And now the whole image is in Cricut Design Space, so we could make this project. But let's say I just wanted to use the frame of this. I didn't want to use these inside pieces. I could either remove them by using contour, which I have shown you in another video. But with this one, what I'm going to do is insert a shape of a circle. And I'm going to place that circle over the top of these words. And then I can unlock this to kind of make it more of an oval shape. Let's see if I can get that oval to cover everything. There we go. So now I have the oval covering up all of the words. So Slice will work if you only have 2 layers selected. So because this was an SVG and it's all on one layer, that's why this will work. So now that I have the oval covering the words, I can select the whole thing. You can look on your layers panel and see you have 2 things selected, the oval and the frame piece. So now I can click Slice. I like to think of Slice as using a cookie cutter. So you roll out your dough, which in this case would be the large frame design, and then use a cookie cutter shape to slice out what you don't want. In this case, an oval shape to cut out the words. So now I can click on this frame and move it over here. And all of this stuff, whoops, grab too many things. All of this stuff is stuff I want to delete. So now I could use just this frame alone. This would look really pretty on around, maybe on a mirror or a piece of glass. And then you could put a picture inside here. Oh, that would be pretty. So that's one way to kind of edit things that you upload as SVG files so that you can kind of customize them and make them your own.